Hello everyone, and thank you so much for joining me today for another exciting episode of unboxing. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share with your family and friends so that everyone can enjoy this video. Alright, that being said, this is Maxi Limit, and as always, stay tuned and enjoy. So today, as you can see, we'll be doing the unboxing of the Amazon Echo Show. As always, you will see on the box more information about the device. So it's sometimes recommended to just go through it so you can have an idea of what this product can do. You will also find what is included in the box. Enough talking, let's open it. So right inside the box, you will find the Amazon Echo Show. The packaging is quite interesting because it looks like a suitcase, or should I say a purse or a bag, whatever you want to call it. But I find it so much interesting the way they wrapped it. And for those of you who've never actually used an Amazon Echo Show before, you will find in the box a quick start guide. And as always, this is important if you have no idea about this product. So, for example, how to plug it, how to use it, and then what button to press, and then what kind of button comes with the Amazon Echo Show. All right, let's put this aside for the moment and see what else we have in the box. This product also comes with a 30-watt power adapter. On the Amazon Echo Show, you will find three buttons: the volume up button, the volume down button, and the mute button, and few microphones hold. At the bottom, you will find a mini USB port, the charging port, and the lock place. This device seems very solid and heavy. It is now time to power it on and see what this can offer. And as always, with every new device, this is the time to set it up, the part that I don't like. Again, it's very simple, just follow the instruction and you should be fine. So if this is the first time that you are using any Amazon product, then you need to create an account and obviously set everything up. This could take some time. And again, with this device, there was an update that took so long, which I was actually disappointed with. But anyway, it's always good to keep all your devices up to date. So I highly recommend you to be patient and then finish the update process. In front of the device, you will see the camera and few microphone holes. The fabric on this device is very soft and durable. So at the end of your update, you will have a small video explaining you how this product actually works and how to use it. It's few minutes, it's always recommended to go through it. Overall, this is a good product. So if you want to go buy one, at least you have an idea of what to expect. Alright guys, this will conclude today's unboxing. On my next video, we'll be doing a full review of the Amazon Echo Show. I will be putting the speakers to the test and be comparing this device, the Amazon Echo Show, with the Amazon Echo Plus. So please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. Thank you again for watching. This is Maxi Limit signing out.